The Mandela Effect. See, back in 2009, when Up, The Hangover, and He's Just Not That Into You were in theaters, if you need a hand, we were a year into the Clone Wars around then, but we're not going to talk about Star Wars. Paranormal researcher Fiona Broom coined the term Mandela Effect after she noticed that her memory of the South African anti-apartheid leader Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s was bullshit because he was still alive at the moment. He didn't die until 2013. Fiona Broom found that a bunch of other humans thought the same thing and began to study this false memory phenomenon because you humans do it a lot. Famous examples are the Mr. Monopoly character from the games having a monocle, which he doesn't. In this economy, he can see just fine. The Berenstain Bear is actually being spelled S-T-A-I-N, not S-T-E-I-N, and Mickey Mouse wore suspenders back in the day, which he did not. This whole time he was out there, one pantsing away from an R rating. And a lot of humans, including some of you, thought he was holding up his hog with safety buckles. There is also a ton of you, apparently, who are fucking all in on Scooby-Doo never having said Ruh-roh. Instead, that was actually Astro from the Jetsons. And you fucking had to let me know, probably mid-shit, in the comment section. And so much did you that I spent a whole fucking night looking this up. I looked it up so hard that I switched to physical media and actively tried to pinch zoom a fucking book till I realized it wasn't a touchscreen. Threw the book across the room and collapsed 2025-ly into a screenless void of confusion. For what it's fucking worth, Scooby-Doo and Astro were both created by Iwo Takamoto and voiced by Don Messick, and they both said Ruh-roh. Quote, Don Messick originally voiced Astro with a deep voice similar to a Scooby-Doo performance, replacing the first letter of every word with an R. When he appeared on the Space Stars segment series Astro and the Space Mutts, and the show was revived for the 80s, Messick used a mode distinct, raspier voice for Astro, but maintained the R habit. Don't believe me? Fine, I don't care. I'm not going down that Google hole again. I don't have the fucking stamina or the supplies, but you can. You do. You got a second, especially if you're living life un-YOLO'd. Then you can take a blessed moment in the moment to look this shit up for yourselves, and that is my point.